Let's price out a proper diagnostic bay, a TPMS tool, a borescope, a battery tester, a drawer of adapters for the older cars, a J2534 Pass-Thru box for factory software. Buy them one by one and watch the total climb before you've even bought the scanner or one box. This is the iCarzone JU2000 Max, our fully armed flagship. We don't just hand you a scanner, we equip your entire bay. Let's open it up. This case is heavy for a reason. Inside, the JU2000 Max tablet, the Link VCI and an extension cable, a jumpstart battery tester, a digital endoscope with its USB adapter, 4 premium iCarzone TPMS sensors, actual hardware consumables included, power adapters for US, EU, UK, and Australia, and then the drawer that makes old car people smile, 14 OBD-I legacy adapters, 38-pin Mercedes, 20-pin BMW, 14-pin Sprinter, Audi 2x2, Ford and Mazda, 17-pin Honda, Kia, Fiat, Mitsubishi, Nissan, 19-pin Porsche, Chrysler, FCA. That's over $200 of accessories before the tablet even powers on, and everything lives in one heavy-duty toolbox that goes wherever the work is. The tablet itself, a 10-inch HD touchscreen at 1280 by 800 quad-core processor on Android, and 128 gigabytes of storage, double the standard JU2000, with room for every brand software, plus years of logs and reports. The 10,000 milliamp-hour battery runs a full 8-hour shift. Hook up the VCI and Auto VIN identifies the vehicle in seconds. No menus, no typos, straight to work. The foundation, a full system scan across every ECU on the car, engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and everything between, returned as one color-coded health report. Open any module, read and clear codes, pull the freeze frame, check ECU information, stream live data with multiple parameters graphed side by side on the big screen, then save the report, share it with the customer, or print it for the file. Routine, but this is the floor, not the ceiling. Bidirectional control with real teeth. Command the car from the tablet, run the windows, cycle the door locks, activate the fuel pump, and hear it prime. Cycle the ABS pump during a bleed. And then the one that earns its keep on drivability jobs, the cylinder misfire test, commanding cylinders individually and watching the engine's response, so you isolate the weak cylinder in minutes instead of pulling coils on a hunch. Command, observe, conclude. That's diagnosis, not parts roulette. OE level coding, and here's the part most spec sheets skip, what it actually does per brand. On BMW from 2006, fault tracing and data recovery. On the Volkswagen Audi Group from 2010, component adaptation and parameter calibration. Hyundai and Kia, module matching and data migration. Ford and Mazda, hidden feature activation and personalization. Renault, comfort feature customization. Chrysler, Jeep and Dodge, alarm logic and base settings. Subaru from 2014, warning system toggles. Its highlight, fully SAEJ 2534-1/2 compliant pass-through function. This hardware connects Windows PCs with official factory software, BMW ISTA, Mercedes Xentry, Ford IDS, GM GDS2 to vehicles. You can complete dealership-grade module flashing and OEM programming in your shop. Factory software licenses are separate, while this tool serves as the required hardware gateway. The daily bread is covered too, 50 service functions, 9 everyday maintenance resets, and 41 advanced procedures. Oil reset, electronic parking brake, DPF regeneration, steering angle calibration, and the rest. One menu, straight to the job. TPMS done properly. Activate and read universal or OE sensors at the wheel, diagnose and clear TPMS faults, program blank sensors, and run the relearn step by step. And because the Max ships with 4 premium iCarzone sensors in the box, your first sensor replacements are already paid for. Other tools sell you the feature. This one brings the consumables too. Protocol coverage is flagship grade across the board. DOIP built-in for late model Volvos, Land Rovers, and Jaguars, and BMW F and G chassis. CANFD built-in for 2020, and newer GM and Chrysler. 58 brands from Europe, America, and Asia, all 10 OBD-II modes, and an interface in 15 languages. If it rolls into the bay, odds are this talks to it. iCarzone's biggest advantage over competitors. Comparable high-end scanners charge expensive yearly 4-figure subscriptions. JU2000 Max delivers lifetime free Wi-Fi software updates with 0 annual fees forever. All new protocols, vehicle coverage, and features come free for life. One-time payment, permanent upgrades. No rival in this class matches this offer. That's the iCarzone JU2000 Max. One box, your entire diagnostic bay, and not a subscription fee in sight. Link and full specs below. If this just replaced a whole shopping list for you, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you under the next hood. Your car, your zone.